Sitka is unique. Our history is amazing. From the indigenous people to the Russians. They were here before the American takeover in 1867. The historic Sitka and Nature Walk is a walking tour. We walk just over 2 miles. We start at the Alaska Raptor Rehabilitation Center, an amazing place for birds of prey. We continue down to the Sitka National Historical Park, talking about the Tongass National Forest, characteristics that make temperate rainforest. The totem poles that line our trail here, guests find them mesmerizing. And we walk into town talking about Russian history at the St. Michael's Russian Orthodox Cathedral. I love this town. I love our history. I love the nature. I just love showing our visitors Sitka.